Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to make a product active on Shopify. First, go over to the left-hand menu option and select products. From here, you have a few options. You can either select the individual product that you like to make active, or you can select all products. For example, if you like to select the individual product, you can tap on the product name. Then go over to the top right hand corner and tap right where you see status. Then you can tap on active. So now the product is active. After you have done that, you can choose the different sales channel that you like to list it on. So for example, you can see online store. You can choose to list it on your online store now, or you can choose a particular date that you would like to release it. So you can choose the scheduling date. Also, if you would like to list it on your point of sale, you can do that. It will automatically be added. Once everything is to your liking, you can go back. So we're going to tap on save in the top right hand corner. Then you're going to go back. If you wanted to turn on active for all products, you could tap right here in this box and select all products. Then tap on bulk edit in the top right hand corner. And from there, you could tap on status right where you see active, and you could select active and you could activate all products. That's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.